I'm back with a cash clips video as promised from my last video. So yesterday I went to the bank and got some cash out, and right here I have, it should be $115. Start off with gas. And I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. But I wrote gas on here. It's smudging off, but it doesn't really matter because I know what the different color clips mean. So this pink one here is for gas. And for gas, I budgeted $45 for the 2 weeks. So 20, 40, and then 5. So I just take this $45 and I just fold it in half. And then I just put this clip on it and close it. Boom. And then I'm just gonna put it off to the side right here. My next one says des on it, and that is just the first 3 letters of my name, because I couldn't write personal on here, so I just wrote des. And for des I budgeted $50, so 20, 40, and then 50. This is 50 for personal. And I just take it, fold it again, same way, put the clip on it, put it to the side. So left I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And so for my last clip, it says food, and this one is for eating out. And I just budgeted $20 for the next 2 weeks. And I just put the clip on that one and close it. So this is my wallet. I thought it was cute, nothing fancy. I got this from Target for $5. It was on clearance. So on the inside, it's just like a regular wallet on the inside. Any change that I have left over from spending this money, I'm just gonna put right here into the change pocket. And then right here, I am gonna keep all of my receipts. I just recently started keeping receipts. I don't know why I like to keep receipts, but I do, especially like from my shopping trips. So these 2 right here are from Target. So again, I'm going to keep my change in here, and then my money I'm just going to keep over here. So I'm going to put it in here facing upwards like this so that I can see which ones I'm grabbing. So this one is for gas. I'm just going to stick that one right here. This one is for food. I'm just going to stick that right next to it. And then this one is for personal. And I'm going to stick that one right next to it. And then, boom, there you go. It doesn't, my wallet is not bulky. It's still nice and slim. I don't have to worry about trying to stuff envelopes in here or having a big old chunky wallet. I hate having a chunky wallet. Guys, to be honest, I hate carrying a wallet, but whatever is going to help me budget and save the most money, I am willing to try. So this is my first time doing this. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to carry this around in my regular bag. I don't just carry a wallet around because that is not safe. But I'm just going to carry this in my regular purse, and that is it. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye.